the little trailer, and we're moving along on the camper build. So we have the bottom framed up, and the underside is done out of ACM, as is the floor. And it's insulated with the expanded polystyrene, silver coated, foil coated. And it's just all clamped up now, waiting for the soffits to dry. And if you want to follow a step-by-step tutorial, I'll link in the description box below hubby's channel, Buddy Who Does Stuff, and you can see his tutorials. So I will give another little update when we get a little further along.